So then you're going to go side. You come out this way. Then you face front, and it's Atika's the call. Then your right foot goes down and lifts. Your left foot goes down and lifts. Then you go break and lift 2, 3, 4 again. And I'll be coming up down the line, so we'll get it. Ready? And right foot. Right foot lift. Left foot lift. Near your right boob. Break and lift it. Lift 2, 3, 4. Your hands turn over. Your hands go side to side the same direction as your hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, here we go again. 5, 6, here we go. 1, pick it up with your hand on your hip. 2, pick it up. Break and lift 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Okay, that much again. And then I'll go down the ropes. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and pick it up. 2 and pick it up. Break and lift 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Give it away. 1 and 2. Okay? Going fast, it is 8, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then it's right and left and hip. Okay, head to the left. The right and the left and hip. Now this is going to be weird. Watch me. This comes in and it comes out. It's like you're squishing something, you're bringing your hands in and they've turned and push it out. So in and out. Then you're going to take your right hand and you're going to slap something off this hand to the high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Woo! Try the slow, just the first part from Atika. When you do Atika, don't bounce up and down. I mean, you can't go boo-doo-doo-doo-doo, boo-doo-doo-doo-doo, a little bit, but not so definite. Here we go. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1 and pick it up. 2 and pick it up. 1 and 2 and lift 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Give it out. 1 and 2 and in and out and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Woo! 1 pick it up. 2 pick it up. Break and lift 2, 3, 4. 1 bend your knees. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and out and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Woo! Carissa, come on up here. Okay, done. Next to him, you know, yeah. And 1, 2. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Break, lift, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4. You're going to wash your hair right side first, and you're going to do a figure 8 with your hips. Wash your hair, 2, 3, 4. So it's walk, 2, 3, 4. Wash, 2, 3, 4. Okay, take 2 steps back. Ready, and walk, 2, 3, 4. Wash your hair, 2, 3, 4. Now you're going to step right foot, left foot to face back. Don't do anything with your hands yet. Turn to the back. Right foot, left foot. Stay right there. You're going to be in the back. Okay, now you got right foot walk. You're going to touch your shoulder when they say pop. Pop. Touch your shoulder. Alright, now you're going to make bird wings. Right hand's going to go low, left hand's going to go high. You're going to do it inside your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, turn, and. Turn away, come back. You're going to turn your right shoulder, and this is and. Before you come back. Ready? 1, 2, 3, turn your right shoulder, turn. Put your hand down, point your way. You're going to go back where you came from. 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, stop there. You're going to turn your left shoulder and face front. Okay, let's walk through that, and then we'll direct music. You're going to point the way you're going. So if you're going forward, your right hand is going to be closed. If you're going back, point the way you're going. Okay, here we go. From the wash your hair. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Wash your hair. 2, 3. Here we go. The right foot, the left foot. 5. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and point. 1 and 2 and 3. Turn and shoulders. Point to me. To me. Me. Now put your hands in your head. Walk 4 steps front, turning to your left shoulder. Walk 2, 3, 4. If you were here, you're going to turn your left shoulder. Walk. Okay? Let's try it one more time. Ready? Front row. 5, 6, 7, and walk. 2, 3, 4. Wash your hair. 2, 3, 4. The right foot, the left foot. 5. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and point. 1 and 2 and 3. Turn to me. Which shoulder? Right shoulder. Turn to me. Now go down. 1 and 2 and 3. Put your hands on your shoulder. Turn to the left. And 1, 2, 3. Okay, now one more thing, and then we'll do it all in music. Okay, when you come up here and you go 1, 2, 3, 4, wash your hair, 2, 3, 4. When you step on the right foot, your right hand's going to wash. When you step on the left, your left hand's going to wash. So you're going to go right side, left side, 5. Come back. So we step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wash your hair. 2, 3. The right foot. Right hand. Left hand. 5. To Shauna. Is Shauna back there? Yeah. Okay. Here we, Shauna, it's yours. Face the clock. Arm up and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Touch your shoulders and to me. 1 and 2 and turn to your right shoulder and 1. Point your way. 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you repeat that whole second section again, okay? Let's try it from the